The 702 Data Logger, or DL, is the centerpiece of the 702 Wi-Fi system, handling network configuration and wireless data logging. Prior to setup, the 702-DL should be installed in an elevated position with an unobstructed view to the 702 wireless units and away from metallic structures in the immediate vicinity for the best wireless signal strength. Begin setup by opening the 702-DL by releasing the two latches found on the protective case. Locate and remove the antenna being held on the underside of the enclosure lid. It is critical that the 702-DL not be powered at this time, indicated by all LEDs being off. The antenna connection can be found on the rear of the unit. Remove the protective cap and install the antenna by turning it at the base. It is now safe to plug in the power cord and provide power to the 702-DL. After connecting the 702-DL to a power source, the yellow Standby LED will begin blinking. Wait approximately 30 seconds for the Wi-Fi and router to boot up, indicated by the red Wi-Fi On LED and the green Router On LED being illuminated. Press the Power On button to finish the setup of the 702-DL. The yellow Standby LED will stop blinking and be continuously illuminated. The green ACT LED will be illuminated shortly afterwards, indicating that the 702-DL is ready to log SPC4 fastener load data. The 702-02 wireless reader is the perfect SPC4 reader for dynamic or hard-to-reach fastener applications, with the ability to measure SPC4 fastener load and wirelessly transmit this data over Wi-Fi to the 702-DL. Prior to installing the 702-02 reader, remove the protective cap from the 702-02 sensor and the protective cap from the SPC4 fastener. Clean the sensor face of the SPC4 fastener's datum disk surface with a dry, lint-free cloth. Be sure to first verify that the target load of each SPC4 fastener has been reached before installing the 702-02 by using a Valley Forge handheld SPC4 reader such as the 406A or 500A. Install the thread adapter over the datum disk threads using a 1-inch or adjustable wrench to tighten and secure the thread adapter in place. Install the 702-02 reader over the thread adapter, tightening down the threaded housing with a 1 5/16 inch or adjustable wrench. Position the two set screws into the opposing threaded holes found on the 702-02 threaded housing. Use a 1/16 inch hex key wrench to tighten the set screws in place. Wire tie holes have been provided and should be used as necessary. Turn on the 702-02 reader via the On button found on the top label. The LEDs on the label will blink several times, indicating everything is working properly. The 702-02 reader will now transmit wireless load data at pre-configured intervals. All fastener load data is logged in a USB flash drive located on the 702-DL front panel. This flash drive can be accessed remotely as a shared drive over the 702-DL Wi-Fi network or physically by removing the flash drive from the 702-DL and inserting it into a PC. To safely remove the flash drive, you will need to shut down the 702-DL. Open the lid and press the Off button. The ACT LED will turn off shortly, and after 30 seconds, the Standby LED will begin blinking. It is now safe to remove the USB flash drive. If at any time the antenna needs to be removed, the 702-DL needs to be in a powered-off state by first doing a shutdown and then removing the power cord from a power source. With all LEDs off, it is now safe to remove the antenna.